All right, guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another edition of Quick Question Friday, where I take a real question from a real Etsy seller and answer it to give you guys some gold nuggets, to give you strategies, tips, and feedback to start, build, or grow your Etsy and handmade business. Let's dive in to today's episode.
So when you say keywords, is it for title, tags, or descriptions? So good question. Um, the keywords that I'm talking about are in title and tags. That's really what I'm talking about. Descriptions do not play into search yet, as far as on Etsy. So whatever you're putting in your descriptions will help you as far as people reading them, but they're not going to play into you ranking better on Etsy. Now, that may change down the road, so you always have to keep that in mind. Now, if you're advertising there is a way to advertise your listings through offsite ads. Etsy does that if you sign up for it. They will advertise your listings in Google, and Google does pull out keywords in your descriptions. So that can help you as far as Google search. But as far as Etsy search, descriptions does not play into SEO yet, but you still should get ready for it. And how you get ready for it is you're not going to just list out keywords in your descriptions. You're not just going to list silver necklace, necklace gift, necklace charm, um, gift for her, all that stuff. You're not going to do that. That's not how you do SEO in your descriptions. What you're going to do is just you're going to write it naturally, where like this is the perfect, um, you know, this is the perfect silver necklace for any occasion. It especially makes a good wedding anniversary gift or Mother's Day gift. The silver necklace is made with super high quality sterling silver, stuff like that, where you're getting the keywords in there, but it's a natural flow. It's a natural description. So that's how you would want to write your description. So it's not a bad time to just go ahead and when you're doing your descriptions to write them in that fashion. And you should be describing your products in there anyways. You should be describing your item, who it's for, all the specifications of it, weight, size, dimensions, washing instructions, anything else that's pertinent to someone buying it that they'd want to know. The goal of the description is to get any question answered before they ask it. So if they have a question and you don't answer it and it's not anywhere to be found, chances are they're going to move on to a listing that has the question answered. So that's really what you want to try to avoid. But yeah, the keywords that I'm talking about are specifically in your title and your tags. That's what people are searching for. That's what people are going to find you by typing into the search bar. So that's what you have to keep in mind when you're doing your title and tags.
All right, guys, that's all for today's episode. Hopefully, that question and answer helped you out, gave you some strategies, some tips that you can use to implement in your own Etsy and handmade business to start, build, and grow and get to the next level. If you guys want your questions answered, you guys want support, help, feedback, whatever you need to start, build, and grow your business, you can dump into the Handmade and Beyond community. Get it free. You can get a free 30-day trial so you can test drive everything, get full access. If you go to www.handmadeandbeyond.com/HB free trial. Hope to see you guys in there soon. Until next week, have an awesome rest of your day.